Well, I don't know if there's much to look at in this video. Don and I found another machine shop that went out of business. Say hi, Don.
Hello.
Got some old machines in there that you might enjoy looking at, so we'll put this short one out. Well, we found another place. Got all kinds of stuff here. He says things are for sale. Y'all still working here or closed?
Closed.
Closed?
Yeah.
Are those for sale?
He said.
Okay.
All for sale.
Got another warehouse over here we'll go look at. Oh. Tools. The Brown and Sharp tool cutter with a table feed handle. Guy was trying to sell me one without that. Don't work too good.
That's not a surface grinder.
It can be used as a surface grinder, yes. This can be combination. You can put another wheel here. This is just like mine is.
Oh, okay.
You can mount tools on an arbor. You can do cylindrical grinding, and you can do surface grinding on it. It's a very versatile tool. And that table right there here swings to an angle, so you can do angles. It's a Brown and Sharp 10N. I have a Brown and Sharp 13, but he's needing a grinder. There's a Cincinnati horizontal mill.
We asked you for this. Well, original price was $2,000, but then I brought it down to 1,300. So
Damlin Industry Incorporated.
I have another one because I asked him. He said, "What side of the table?" That one there.
That's 30. Next big fan blaster.
That's what you need, isn't it? Then there's a Cincinnati. Wrapped up, can't see very much.
I don't know. I've been here. I don't know in here.
Something's plugged in over on the wall.
That didn't work.
All right. That can rotate all the way around.
Okay. So why do you need to do that?
She can put two different stones on it.
Oh yeah. I'll open.
This goes in and out,
Yeah, I know.
and then you have one for up here.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, that rotates around. And be careful, the table probably is not tied down. The table can probably lift up. But see how? And it's probably got a little well underneath here for the oil.
That moves pretty good. Look at that. Okay.
I'm pushing it. Little things.
Real smooth, isn't it? They don't make it like this anymore.
Okay. Those are just magnetic stops.
It's a stopper, you can move that.
Yeah, I understand that.
But here's what I want you to understand. Unlike the other kind of horizontal mills or grinders, this one is limited about how far away you can get that wheel.
The width of that table, probably.
That right there is all you can do for grinding like on mine. It's kind of totally useless. So a magnetic chuck on this kind of machine is not worthwhile. But if you're sharpening tools or drill bits or
I got you.
doing a little cylindrical grinding, see, this will turn around.
Yeah, I was really interested in the one you sold already.
So, can I look under your tarp? Well, he did. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Four jaw. And an old DRO. Okuma. I think I have an Okuma steady rest that would fit this thing.
The big stuff.
Go back through and look through the other building. I think they added on to that one.
There you go, Steve.
Yes, sir. It's that 1/2 is the only bad part. I don't have anything that light anymore.
It's only half a ton?
Yeah.
Big for half a ton.
Or you put a 1,000 pounds out there on the end of that, you know, it's like a 60-foot lever you're trying to. It looks like they did a nice job. They poured a base for it.
Yeah.
It's like they're selling everything. Are you selling these CNCs?
Yeah.
What kind of prices do you want for them?
Well, the 65,000 on that one there, on that line, and the 40 on the other one.
Okay.
New.
New or
No, used.
used?
And it's going out.
Okay. They all work?
Of course, yes, sir. Not the other one, not the other lane.
Those
The
don't.
other lane, you can sit there, so it need parameter line.
Conveyor. Like we're doing steel and soft drinks.
I'd like to build this. Like the boring bars.
Some cabinets. Taps. Doors work pretty well. What do you want for your cabinets?
Not like $700 each.
$750 each. A lot of dividers.